In this SEO for retail review, I'm going to be showing you this SEO optimized product description tool, which can apparently help you increase your sale. So what this does this, it will create you these product description, which is SEO based. So that's what it does. And there are a lot of features you can find in this tool. I'm going to discuss all of that, and later into the video, I'm going to show you how it really works. Before that, let's have a look at the AppSumo page. And it's best for e-commerce people. So if you're someone who is not that good in making product description, you can come to this website and you can find SEO optimized product description. It's best for marketers who have a website and all of that. It's good for marketing agencies, and the features included are AI and GDPR compliant, so that's great. So some of the main features that you can find here are optimize listing with targeted keywords. You can create category or product description. So this is what this tool entirely does, which I'm going to show you. So you can basically create a category or product description that align with your product. So guys, if anytime during this video, if you really want to purchase Seo4Retail, make sure you click the first link in the description, in which you can get 10% offer for, basically it's for new users. So if you want to get it, you can get it there. Then you get targeted keywords. Then you can elevate your brand voice if you want it like very professional, or maybe a bit of casual product description. If you want anything like that, you can just do that as well. And one thing I didn't like about Seo4Retail is that it doesn't generate any image. So other SEO tool is what they do is they also help you to generate these images, but in this they don't really allow. So this is how the interface looks like. I'm going to show you all this. Let's have a look at some of the features which you can be getting. So you get lifetime access to all of the plan tiers, and the only difference that you're going to be seeing is that the credits per month you get from each licensed tier. So for credits that you're going to be getting in license tier 1 is 150, then you have 450, 1000, 2000. So if you go here, you can see that 5 AI credits for the product description is equivalent to 200 to 300 words. So I think for starters, you can start with the license tier 1, which is 150 credits, which gives you a lot of words, I would say. And one thing you guys have to remember is that the way this Seo4Retail works is that you have to upload your file in order for you guys to get the job description. So you have to either do it by CSV, XLS, and XLSX. So if you have any file type of this, you can easily upload it. Maybe you have an Excel sheet that you have, you can all upload it to this website. So those are some. You guys can also check into some of the questions that the owner have replied. So please go ahead with that as well. So let's go ahead to the dashboard of SEO4Retail.ai, and you can see how the creator have given you a video in which you can really understand how to use this tool. So if you go to configuration, this is like the most important part about this software, is that you have to update all of this in order for you guys to get the right amount of output from the project. So make sure your tone of voice is kept professional, whatever type you want. If you want it to be a bit casual, you can go with that. So you have professional, formal, informative, bold, adventurous, persuasive. I guess that's it. So you can go with formal if you want. Then the language that they are apparently giving are English, French, and Spanish, which is great. You can save all this. And also the content guidelines which you can add. So based on all of this, they are going to be giving the project based on all of this results. So once you upload your file, you are going to be getting based on the information that you have given in the configuration. So these are the content guidelines. I think it's pretty good. Always verify information online for accuracy. I just like how it's already preset, because it's pretty good for anyone starting this out. It's already there, or you can just use ChatGPT to find out some content guidelines based on your wish. Then you have the business section, in which you can tell about your brand and you can update it, and based on your brand they are going to be giving you the product description or the category description based on that. And also you have to mention your offer and some of the business advantage. So based on all of this, it's going to be easier for them to actually create a project, which I'm going to show you. And also the cool thing is that you can add team members. If you have team members, you can add them as well. And first you have to go to project, you have to click on plus new project. You can either make product description and also category description. So what you do is you click on product description, and you have to either upload an Excel file or the CSV format. And after you put on this, you can see a description that is made. Suppose your product is about men's grooming tools. So if you have a product, maybe it's a trimmer, it's going to give you a detailed description like right away on this. So that's how it all works. And also if you go here, you can also see category. Let me go back. So if you go here, you can also see category description, which is also the same way. You can upload your XLS file or the CSV format, and based on that, they are going to give you an output, a detailed description on the product or the category of product that you're going to be giving. So if you have a lot of if you have a lot of products and you want to do it in an instant, what you can do, suppose if you have 100 products and if you have listed everything in the Excel format, what you can do is you can just upload the Excel into this, and as soon as you upload, you're going to be getting a description for all of the 100 products, which is the cool thing about Seo4Retail. So this is why Seo4Retail has become recently very popular. It's basically because you can in bulk you can be uploading all of your product, and in bulk you could be getting all the product description. But for the pricing, I would say it's actually, I think it's okay. I don't think it's very expensive. Everyone can go with the license tier 1. But I would really suggest the Honor. If it's like more credits per month, it would have been better. But overall, I think Seo4Retail is an excellent tool for SEO, optimize product description, even category description. So if you want to check this out, make sure you guys check it out by clicking the first link in the description. It helps me out by giving me a small commission as well. And if you want to get a 10% discount, you can click the first link. So that's it. And I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.